show you how to create a wish list on Dropp. That is a banging feature, and it's amazing how fun can gift you. This feature is available for every profile. So you go on your Creator tab, on our Payment Links tab. So here you will find the wish list card. So you need to enable it. So you click on it and you click Enable. Then you can see here you have your link and you have like your adding button. So you put your URL of the product, it's fetch the image and you put like the name and you set up a price. So basically here it's like the price here. So add to wish list. So you can see here you have your first product. You can add whatever number of product you want. So here I add the selfie ring stuff. So you can add here, add to wish list here. And once you have done this, you can copy paste the wish list anywhere. So let's try it. So here you have the two products. You can select one of them like this, and you see it will showcase the price of the product here, and you can receive the payment directly. You can select both, it's very easy. As well on the mobile tab, it's like really nice. You can click here and you select and just one click of payment and your fund are done. So it's really very simple, and once the product has been sold, it disappears off the list and